ఇక విజయవాడలో జరుగుతున్న జిఎఫ్ఎస్టీ టూరిజం కాన్క్లేవ్ లో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు, యోగా గురువు బాబా రామ్దేవ్ పాల్గొన్నారు. కార్యక్రమాన్ని లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Given some hand holding or help or on their own, they are all built. Here, issue is public as capital. We have to empower them. Timely assistance, mentoring, guidance, short term, medium term, long term, if we do, then all families will be turned around economically. Suppose one example I am giving you. One family, they don't have skills. If you create some additional skills for them and create better employment, better livelihood, that family will be better off. Or 10th class student, they don't have money. Then if you give assistance for better education, 4 or 5 years, you will get best employment. If you get best employment in a knowledge economy, that family will be totally above poverty and you will help others in course of time. This is the concept I am creating, P4 model. That also I am requesting all of you. If it is suitable to your, even CSR is available for everybody. What all I wanted to request all of you, your bandwidth of management. I am talking, I born in a small village. I used to walk 6 kilometers for high school. Then university I molded myself, I became MLA, minister, then chief minister, everything. So what I wanted to emphasize here, we human beings are having extraordinary powers. How to tickle that? How to make them more productive. If you give that tip for him, if he emerge, nothing will stop him. That is where we are working. I will send you all the details for you. Kutumba Rao is working now. He is in charge of P4 policy. I am bringing all big companies, individuals globally who are all benefited out of our policies or from society. They have to come back, they have to adopt, repay to the society. That is my motto. I am requesting all of them. Ultimately, tourism. It is only the sector where it is going to give happiness and health. I am giving a slogan now. Don't work hard, work smart. People are all saying today, because of technology, jobs will go. Jobs won't go. Various innovative ways are coming. People are spending 3 hours, 4 hours or 6 hours. Or earlier people used to work 7 days. Now they will work only 5 days or 4 days. 3 days they are going for holiday. Holiday means again they are spending money. Somebody is getting employment. It is going to happen. This is the cycle. I am very happy. Friends, I am requesting all of you again and again. You have seen today meeting also. Ramdev Guruji, how we brought his empire Patanjali. Now he is going to make Andhra Pradesh tourism on the global map. He will give ideas, he will promote, we will execute. Government of India, I am requesting you bring people. They will be benefited. I am telling you, they will be benefited. We will give all policies. You guide me, any policy is having any problem, I can transform, I will revive immediately. But Andhra Pradesh will give a model for other states to execute, to follow. But ultimately tourism is only the sector you are going to have lot of future, and all of us has to make India proud. As some people has rightly mentioned, we are spending huge money now. If you go to any country, any hotel, full of Indians only. We are spending, Indians are spending all over the world. Why can't we create that type of environment? We can spend here and foreigners will come. With this wonderful meeting, Thakkerji, excellent. You have done very well. Even I appreciate my officers also, Ajay Jain and others. They are also very innovative way they are able to promote. Now this is good. Even director, Amarapali and everybody, they have done very well. Now I am asking time, speed of doing business. My ministry is here. I don't want to hear 1 hour delay from now onwards. You make everything possible. Then you are going to see 1 year's time. It will be different state. Guruji, again I am asking you, every 1 year, one event we will have. We will review what we have done and place before public what we have done and take forward then onwards. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all. Excellent.
Followed by the long-awaited session of MOUs. Sir, Mr. Thakkar, sir, please come. Mr. Kutumrao, please. Chairman Garu, please come. Yeah. Announce karo, release. Amma, come.
Now is the time for the release of tourism brochure. Tourism brochure is being released by today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, along with Tourism Minister, APTDC Chairperson, Ajay Jain Sir, Thakkar Sir and Amrapali Ma'am. And the next one is strategy paper. This is the tourism brochure that is being released. And the next one is strategy paper. This is coffee table book. Tourism events calendar. The upcoming one is the tourism events calendar.
I request everyone to please be seated in your respective positions. You are blocking the live stream cameras, please.